Okay, 766 is pretty straightforward solving equations. So let's start with A. The first step for question A, right, we're going to do this one, is to combine all our like terms on each side. So the left-hand side of the equation quickly simplifies to 9a minus 3 equals, and then I have 6a minus 2a, 4a minus 3. And I subtract 4a from both sides, and I get 5a minus 3 equals negative 3. I add 3 to both sides, and I get 5a equals 0. And divide both sides by 5, and I get a equals 0. So that's pretty straightforward. For B, let's do B now. The easiest thing to do is to distribute the 8 into the parentheses. So I get 8 times 3m is 24m. And 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. And I still have my minus 7m equals 0. I'm going to combine all my like terms before I start moving things around. So I have 24m minus 7m. 24m minus 7m is 17m. Minus 16 equals 0. If I add 16 to both sides, I get 17m equals 16. And I divide both sides by 17, and I get m equals 16 seventeenths. And you would leave your answer just like that. That's fine. No sense getting a decimal. Okay, let's move on to C. Let me make some more space here. So for C, the easiest thing to do, right, we have x over 2 plus 1 equals 6. Let's subtract 1 from both sides, and I have x over 2 equals 5. And then multiply both sides by 2, and I get x equals 10. And we've solved that equation. Again, these are all properties of equality, relatively straightforward. D is a little bit trickier. Let me make some room here. We have an absolute value equation. So I have the absolute value of x minus 3 plus 5 equals 11. And if we recall, we want to split it into 2, but we don't want to do so until the left-hand side only has the absolute value. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So I have the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 6. And now I'm going to split this into 2 equations. The first one is x minus 3 equals 6. And the second one is x minus 3 equals negative 6. The right-hand side's negative. And now we solve both these very simple equations. We add 3 to both sides here, and we get x equals 9. And we add 3 over here, and we get x equals negative 3. And I prefer to write my answers in set notation, negative 3 and a positive 9. And they are both valid solutions to the equation.